Human life is an expression of God's will by which the Godhead fulfills the actualization of infinite potentiality. Calibrates at 560. All that is not only created by God, all that is God. All that is God. How it is perceived then would be a positionality, but it's reality. So we see that the intrinsic divinity of all things shine forth. When the ego collapses, the radiance of divinity shines, as the essence of all that exists shines forth like a blinding light. You almost step back from it like this because it like suddenly the awareness opens up to you and you have to pull your car over to the side of the road. The intrinsic beauty and perfection of all that exists. You say, certainly this box of Kleenex cannot be an example of divine perfection. Is this divine perfection? Walgreens? Walmart's. Oh, Walmart's. Well, that's different. What strikes you at first when this phenomena begins to unveil itself is the stunning realization that it is, that anything is. It's the stunning realization of existence. To exist as this, or exist as this, or exist as this, doesn't really make that much difference. Like, these are flowers, and these are flowers, and these are flowers. What's stunning is that they exist at all. That anything has existence is the first stunning thing. So as I look at these flowers, I can't let myself look at them too long, because the divinity of their beauty begins to shine forth, and you stop talking because you're like unable to speak at the splendor of the revelation of such incredible beauty. So after a certain degree of the development of inner awareness, you go past a certain stage. To function in the world, you have to pull back to a certain degree. In the state that you were driving around the side of the mountain, you can't, drive into the city and drive through Phoenix in that particular level of consciousness. You'd have to get off the road. So these states of consciousness tend to come and then they recede, because if they continue, it's almost impossible to function. In a state of divine illumination, it's almost impossible to function in the world. In fact, it is impossible to function in the world. In fact, it's hard to even stay in the world, because in that level you have permission to leave. And you see, you're not a physical body, so you're not going to die anyway. It's just that you depart from the physicality. All right.